Why do we yawn so easily? You're not even tired. Yet suddenly you yawn. See someone else yawn? You yawn too. Heck, just hearing the word yawn might make you do it. Yawning yet? So, what's going on? Yawning isn't just about being sleepy. It may help cool your brain, like a built-in air conditioner. It could signal your body is low on oxygen. Or it might be your brain's way of staying alert when bored. But here's the weird part. Excessive yawning, like way more than usual, can be a sign of anxiety, fatigue, or even a neurological issue. So, is yawning harmless? Mostly yes. But if you're yawning constantly, even when fully rested, your body might be trying to tell you something. Next time you yawn, maybe listen closer.